Welcome back to another video. If you are logging your Roblox and you are facing an error 429 authentication is failed. If you are facing the same error, then watch the video till the end and follow my steps. If you are facing the error, then go to the browser and search your Roblox server status and check the server issue of the Roblox. If found any issue in the server, then wait to fix. Otherwise, follow the next step. Next solution is check your internet connection. For this, go to this icon and check your internet connection is connected or not. If found any issue in the internet, then fix the problem or go to the search bar and search your network and click on internet and network setting and then go to the advanced network setting and click on network reset and once restart your network. After doing this step, check the problem. If it persists, then next is uninstall the Roblox game and reinstall. After doing this step, your problem may be fixed. I hope this video is for you. If you like this video, click on the like button and subscribe our YouTube channel and share with friends. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.